Scan Pro Gaming are sponsoring EPIC LAN, which started on Thursday the 7th of Feb and will run right through to Sunday the 10th of Feb at Kettering Conference Centre. EPIC LAN is one of the UK's most exciting LAN gaming events, featuring a great range of social games and esports tournaments. And to celebrate, as you'd expect now from Scan, we have an awesome giveaway up our sleeves for you. This week, our prize is worth over £1,100. One lucky winner will win a HTC Vive Pro full kit. That includes the HTC Vive Pro headset with inbuilt 3D spatial audio, 2 controllers and 2 base stations. You'll get a free entry just by clicking the link below, and if you're going to the EPIC LAN event, then we'll be adding some secret codes for attendees to increase your chance of winning even further. Pretty cool, hey? And of course, if you are going to the event, make sure you come over to the Scan stand, as we've gone all out and we'll have 2 VR booths with the latest games for you to try and loads of our coolest 3XS systems. And as we're there with Asus, we have an Asus ROG store, which will have loads of awesome discounted products on sale for you. See you there. And if you aren't lucky enough to be going, then fear not, as we'll also be bringing you all of the action very soon. Keep your eyes on our YouTube channel for full event coverage. And in the meantime, get entering this HTC Vive Pro competition for free by clicking the link below. Good luck.